Alright, so here it is. This is the new MJJC Car Care Foam Cannon Professional. I'll do an unboxing, and then I'll do a separate video of using it. I'm not going to show the other side, because it has my address on it. So I'm just going to take it off camera for a second to open. Alright, there it is. So it's got how to use instructions, pretty simple. It's even got YouTube directions on how to use. Pause it if you need to read that. And it's all the stuff that's new with it. And we just gotta figure out how to open the box. Let's give this nice little other languages as well, Russian, I guess. Here is the soap tank. Nice wide mouth, easy to fill, easy to empty. These pieces. This is the top of it. Screws on like so. And what's nice about this is no matter what pressure washer you have, you can screw the attachment into here. So if you use a quick disconnect, if you got the newer Karchers, whatever brand you have right now. I use a quarter-inch quick disconnect on mine, and it just screws on like so. Super easy. So if you ever use a different pressure washer, then you can go ahead and do that. They also include a 1.1 millimeter orifice. I'll be installing that off camera because I have an electric pressure washer, and an extra little foam mesh in there for maintenance. Also, you can rotate this red piece, change the angle, and then of course this just spray pattern. And let's not forget to attach the hose down here. Here. So it's got a weight on it, so no matter what angle you have this thing tilted at, the weight will go towards the bottom with the liquid, so you can use it at all angles. And you just attach it. Get this thing to focus. You get the point. Just push it on there. Really easy. There you go. Got measurements on the side of it. Nice wide base. So it won't tip over, which is great. And that's about it for the review. Unboxing. Show the instruction page that it comes with. Just 1 second. Oh yeah, spare parts. See, that spare part is a 1.1 millimeter orifice. Highly recommended if you have a low volume electric pressure washer, which most of them are. It basically helps build up pressure better, so it sprays out with more foam. There's plenty of videos you can look up at that. But I'm looking forward to getting this used. I'll probably get to it in a couple days here. I have their other one as well. I also have a video on that one. It's not narrated. You can check the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and stick around for more videos.